Hello everyone, welcome to Soham Healer's World. This is a general reading for Capricorn for the month of April 2021. This reading includes all the 4 weeks of April. So let's see what cards have to say. Alright, Capricorn. So, this is the energy of the month for you. This is the Queen of Pentacles reversed, and I get a feeling that either you are a little worried about your finances, or you are involved in some kind of a work that you believe that you are not skilled to do that, you're not competent to do that, or that is not making you feel content, that is not making you feel satisfied. So something is lacking in your workplace. It could also be, I will not say it is just the job. Sometimes there could be some people, either they are homemakers or they are sitting at home or doing something, but they, whatever they are doing in their life, whatever is the work, be it some household work or something in your office, you don't seem to be satisfied with whatever you are doing right now. So that kind of an energy I see here. The first three cards are the Magician, Queen of Swords reversed, and Ace of Swords. So I see here that you have the tendency to, you know, um, manipulate people, and I will not say this manipulation in a negative sense, but yes, where whatever you say, whatever you do, the way you do it, the way you say it, people agree to it. You have that kind of a skill, and basically, something has happened, especially when it comes to start something new, you are not able to do that. There could be lack of clarity, and even if like there is something, 10 steps away and you want to go and grab it, so you are just, you get little emotional about it, you get little oversensitive about some things in life, which is like, giving you some kind of a pain or stress, because you get this kind of a stress because of your oversensitivity. So that kind of an energy I see here in the first week. And before moving towards the other weeks, I would request you to kindly subscribe to my channel for the monthly updates. And yeah, one more thing, I'm planning to come up with weekly love readings. So if you have any specific question related to your love life, you can just write in the comment box, so I will definitely address that question in the love reading of Capricorns. So moving ahead, the second week, cards are Six of Pentacles, King of Swords, and Eight of Wands reversed. So here I see, I don't know, I see that it could be either you or your partner who has given a lot in a relationship, or it could be the work relationship also, or someone in your life, it could be anybody. I see it being a soulmate, so I see it could be the partner whom either you are married to or in a relationship. So somewhat your opinions are not matching, and either one of you believes that they have given a lot in this relationship, they have always been generous, they have always helped the other person, but when it comes to the other person to help this help you, if for example, if it is you who has helped them always, and when it comes for them to help you, or when you need them, unfortunately the other person is not there, and that makes you feel little sad, and little, it gives you negative thoughts. You might start feeling that whether this person is right for me or not, whether I'll be able to be happy with him or her or not, and all these kind of questions. So that kind of an energy I see in the second week, where but being generous is your personality. So it's your trait, be it them or other people, you will always be generous. So stop thinking all these things, that you have been generous and you have been the giver and you're not getting anything back, because be it this particular person or anybody else in your life, you will always give, because that is how you are. Moving ahead, the third week cards are the Hierophant, King of Knight of Swords reversed, and Five of Cups reversed. So again, I see this as a long-term commitment which is going through some kind of a problem. It could be a marriage for someone, and things are not stable. There could be fights. There is a feeling of loss, pain, and you know you are thinking a lot about the loss and whatever you know you wanted from that relationship that did not happen. And you I think either one of you, be it you or the other person, I don't know, you must be knowing better, one of you really wanted things to be fast, at a fast pace, like for example, just if it is about getting married, then maybe one of you wanted to get married as soon as possible, and maybe the other person was and not ready for it. So because of things, if someone tried to push things fast, that is why this loss came up. That is why the other person got little scared, and arguments started happening, fights started happening. So if you are still in that position where you can stop these things after listening to this reading, so I would suggest you that don't just go with the pace, don't try to go quick, be so very quick or very fast in any kind of a movement. So just wait. The last week cards are Three of Cups, the Death card reverse, and the Nine of Swords. So again, I see here that there was some kind of a celebration which was about to happen. It could be an engagement celebration. It could be some kind of marriage celebration, or people were thinking of getting together to celebrate something good in your life. But maybe things got a little postponed, and because of the arguments with whatever is happening, that is just that might give you a little bit of stress, that might give you sleeplessness, that might give you you might be overthinking about stuff because you want something positive to happen, but you are also scared that you're manifesting negativity, you are thinking about negative thoughts a lot. You definitely, obviously, I can understand that you wish that something bad doesn't happen, but if you are wishing that something bad doesn't happen, you're thinking about the bad stuff. So it's better that you try and avoid these things. And if you're not able to do that, please go and share your thoughts with someone, talk to someone, because that is going to make you feel relieved. So yeah, that is my suggestion for you, Capricorn. Still, if you have any doubt, please write in the comment box. And if you want to go for your daily or the personalized reading, please follow me on Instagram and Facebook. My links are given in the description box. And don't forget to write the comments about the next love reading, which is coming up soon. All right, good luck.